Hello and welcome. In this how to draw video, we'll be drawing
Mr Daydream.
Mr Daydream, that's right. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's get drawing. Alright, so we've got a paper and we've got a pen. Let's draw Mr Daydream. Now he's an easy character to draw because the shape is just like a cloud.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, so we're going to start on the top. So we're going to do a nice round curve like that.
Nice round curve like that.
Yeah, and then we're going around in a circle like that. We'll do 3 more curves. 1, 2, 3. And then we'll do the same on the other side.
Yep.
So 1, 2, 3. So we've got 7 all together. And then at the bottom we've got his feet. So we're just going to do a little bit of a curve. I'm just going to leave a little gap in the middle. We're going to draw his feet. Alright, so let's draw his feet. So draw a nice line down. Got a slight curve. And then we're going to draw his feet. He's got nice, quite long oval feet.
Doing shoes.
Yeah, and then in the middle we draw a line going up. And then, because he's wearing kind of like sneakers, so we draw a little line, curved line here like that. That separates between his legs and his foot. And also, he's got a line on the bottom of his shoe there as well. So it's the sole of the shoe and it's the top. And then we just do the same on the other side. Okay, and the next part is to
do his face.
Do his face, that's right. So he's daydreaming, so he's very happy. So he's going to have a big smiley face. So we're going to draw a big smile, so a nice big round curve like that. Yeah, and then we're going to draw his eyes. He's got 2 really big oval eyes there, just above the mouth. I'm just going to colour them, or we're going to colour them in black. You can colour them any way you like. Alright, so that's pretty much it. As you see, it's a real simple, easy character. It's basically a cloud with legs and a face. So the next part is to colour in. And we're back. So we finished colouring in, and these are wonderful, easy characters to colour in because they're only normally one colour. We've got a light blue for his body and a dark blue for his shoes. And you've added some extra details on there as well. What have you done?
I put some teeth and I put some cute eyes and I put it some arms.
Yeah, that's right. He's got arms on his hips or on his cloud hips. So that's really cool. So if you want to, you can add extra other details. It's really up to you. Use your imagination. You can draw whatever you like. You happy with your drawing?
Yeah!
That is great. You should be happy because it's looking really amazing. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you followed along and had lots of fun. Have a look at our channel. We've got lots of other Mr. Man characters for you to enjoy and follow along with. So we hope to see you again very soon. Bye!
Bye!